Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Ricardo Richards, the prisoner who disarmed and shot a policeman before escaping from the National Chest Hospital in March, was this afternoon sentenced to 22 years imprisonment. The 30-year-old auto mechanic that is, who escaped after his handcuffs were removed while being treated by a doctor, pleaded guilty to robbery with aggravation, illegal possession of a firearm, and wounding with intent in April.
When the matter was called up in the Home Circuit Court today, Richards, who is also known as Kaka, apologized to the state in a letter. In the letter, which was read in court by his attorney Ernest Davis, Richards said his actions were cruel. The father of two also begged for forgiveness from the policeman he attacked before escaping. Richards, who was in custody at the Denham Town Police Station, said he was under mental pressure because he was framed for a crime he did not commit. His claim was supported by residents of Rosetown in a social inquiry report. Richards' mother, who was also called as a character witness, begged the judge to have mercy on her son. Richards became emotional while listening to his mother's plea. The court was told that the policeman who was shot in his abdomen by Richards might not be able to serve again due to the seriousness of his injuries. Justice Sonia Wint Blair, in handing down the sentence, took into account the mitigating factors, including the offender's remorse and early guilty plea, and that he was gainfully employed before he was arrested. However, she noted that Richards shot the officer who was on duty, stole his weapon, which has not been found, and lied about his identity when he was held at a guest house in St. Andrew. Prince Moore, TVJ News.